Whoa, guys, look what we found here. I'm currently at the Seaway indoor used car sale, and I just happened to find one slick looking ride. It's a BMW V8 twin turbo, very nice white. This thing is a nice machine. 2013. Here's a bit more information on it. Very slick looking ride, guys. Let's get inside, get a closer view. Inside the nice BMW, we got the WeatherTech mats. We got the power. Well, we got power everything. This thing is a BMW. It is fully loaded. Electronic shifter. Navigation system. This thing, guys, just speaks for itself. It is a very slick looking ride with the sunroof, leather, very spacious. Here we got more stuff for the guys at the back. We got heat, AC, radio, plenty of room, 5 passengers, wood grain finish. You guys gotta come check this out. We're at the Seaway used indoor car sale. Come check it out.